here we are. This is the GE profile, and this is the problem. So we open the refrigerator and we have flickering lights, and the display goes out. We close the door, and the display comes on. Now here's the board, and here's the bad capacitor. Now you can see it's kind of oval on top. This one's sucked in, so that one's perfect. That's in good condition. So we're going to have to replace this particular capacitor. And that's the one actually causing the issue. All other capacitors seem to be perfectly fine. Now time for the final test. We got the display working fine. Now let's open the door. And what do you know? No blinking lights. Display still functional. There it is.